If you're an artificial turf supplier business and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your business, you're definitely in the right place today. So keep watching this video. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple website for your artificial turf service. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to sign up for that free trial. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and head to the top and search for my market, artificial turf. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Let's go back. I accidentally clicked on the wrong one over there. Awesome. Let's go ahead and select artificial turf. Awesome. Now I'm going to put in a few basic details about my Mighty Sites websites. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, Lawns Are Us, as well as my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue. Let Mighty Sites generate a simple website for my business with the information I've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. They're completely free for you to use as well. And they don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone at all. They look very professional, as you can see. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website, maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content that was pre-written for you. You can absolutely do that. You don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional in any sort of way. You can literally do this all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So I'm going to be showing you through each section quickly how you navigate and make a few changes to your Mighty Sites website. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I'm going to make sure that that is visible on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and actually tick that box. Awesome. Let's pop in our phone number over here that is clicked to call, by the way, and you address your physical location and you can put it in over here. Great thing about it is when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address, be taken to Google Maps for directions. And update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. For the next section, if you have a logo for your business, go ahead and upload it over here. If you want to make slight amendments to your logo, crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames, click on that pencil directly over it. Otherwise, click on save. Here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you want to change it to go with your branding a little bit better, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. There's no color coding needed at all. For each section you want to make changes to make it a little bit more personalized for your business, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images or search through that photo library. There's hundreds of high quality images to choose from, all completely free to use. Otherwise, you now have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in all your Instagram photos. And update action is where we can change those call to action buttons, change the text on them if we wish to, as well as where all the buttons link to. You can link to another website as well as upload a PDF file. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you. You can keep track of all your leads in your Mighty dashboard. If you have a custom domain already for your business, go ahead and click on that button at the bottom, the yellow one, connect your domain to set it up. You also can click on that button if you don't have a domain and you'd like to purchase one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your competitors. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your artificial turf supplier business. Really wishing you and your business Mighty success.